Good morning. Today we have 28th of May 2024. It is Tuesday and we are looking at ES. Let's just go about 1 minute till open. And practically what I'm going to be looking for at the open is we can get, we did take these lows, we didn't take that low. I would like price to come down to this order block. That order block, I think it's on 15 minutes. It's a 15-minute order block. Somewhere here, somewhere there, in this area. But I'm going to keep it there where it was. No, actually, it was here. That's where we see the volume. So I would like price to drop here. It's like one leg here, second leg there. Collect all of that liquidity. And then we're going to go up. I mean, hopefully, but this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to get longer today. Why? Because we had an opportunity to drop lower here on Friday and we have not done that.
So looking now to the market on open imbalance for the S&P 500, 26 million to the sell side, Nasdaq 100, 6 million to the buy side. The Dow 30 is seeing 43 million to sell.
There's a possibility
Mag 7
we can just
near flat at 1 million to the buy side though.
But I'm not going to chase this unless I see liquidity sweep. So just patience at the open. Looking for the setup to come to me. We had big boys before the open. Over 1,000 plus cumulative delta. So another indication that they're buying it. Just wait and see. Okay, so trying to push higher. Technically speaking, they did grab that liquidity with this drop here, but I'm not so sure. They might just sell it into that level and then we drop. Although we have liquidity up to 32, 33, 34, 35, and so on and so on. Okay, so they so far they left that bit. Gonna be trading PA account. Nice rejection. If we go to 320, we have 8 points on our hands. This will happen. So let's have a look. Could scalp that. Let's have a look first. What they're gonna do. Got a little bit of gap. Internal gap 23, 24. It's 23, 24. Not far. Let's see. So 30, 31 wants to be traded. It's only 4 minutes from the open. Pushing high now. We might get to 33. That's another order block. From that day. I don't consider, I mean, yes, we did push Monday, but that's overnight. That's electronic session, so it doesn't count. This is pretty much where we were. So we just pushing through Friday high. And we have a problem to go higher. It's green line here. It's Friday high. Order block is here from, so have a look. That was 23rd of May, Thursday. That's the order block we have on the 15 minutes. Yeah, somewhere here. Mm-hmm. It's a bearish order block. 31, 32. A lot of people is trying, a lot of traders trying to get that price to sell into that. Looks like street is buying. Big boys are kind of, yeah, they're also buying, but okay. Patience. Okay, looks like it wants to break lower. Got 6 minutes trading. Still a lot of liquidity, 30, 31, so I'm not sure if I should jump on that thing to the short side. I should have. Let's see if I can get a push higher. Okay, we did. And what now? Push to 28. View up. Oh, we're just gonna push through this 30 and go to 32. Closing the gap. Further we go. I am tempted short this thing. And I didn't. And I did not do it. Wasted opportunity. Here was the entry. This bearish gap here. You could trade this 28 to the low. Yeah, but it's gonna chop around, I think, for a while. As long as we don't have this liquidity, we're just gonna chop around. It'll have to be like really quick trade, because now we can push this high. 39. We're creating the first 15 minutes candle. And most likely, I mean, definitely push for one top or the bottom later on. Yeah. This 25, 26 wants to be traded, 23, 21, but we have a lot of liquidity up here as well. So we opened. Yeah, it's just ranging basically. Let's wait. I feel bullish. My market is bullish. And the only problem is, how far we're gonna drop before we go up. It would be nice to grab that, to be honest, for market, to grab this liquidity. Just collect everything here. I mean, they did collect it here. But now we have early longs. Pull it down, grab all of it. And drop even lower, 18. Yeah. Even here at some point. Well, now it's just a job. Street is selling now. Big boys are holding, and they've been holding 1,000 as well in the pre-market. Oh, this could go up to take straight. Collect that 1,000. for them. Okay, 14 minutes. I got 1 more minute on the 15 minutes candle. Let's see how they're gonna play this. We drop, we have space to 21. 21. $20. Okay, first
In
candle.
10 minutes time now at 9:55 a.m.
Grab the
Eastern
bottom
time.
of the first
We do
candle.
expect comments from Minneapolis Fed President Kashkari. Gives a speaker address followed by panel remarks at the Barclays CEPR International Monetary Policy Forum in London. So there's no text expected for Fed's Kashkari, but there is a Q&A expected. Keep in mind now we're also seeing the Fed bids for fixed income here. So the Fed bids for 6-month bills total $5.3 billion. 3-month bills also $5.3 billion.
Dropping the 320. See if we're gonna get there. Where the heck is my order block at 320? I had supposed to have a 320 order block somewhere.
So we're seeing some weakness in the S&P 500 here, down around 0.3% now. And no news catalyst for this leg down, but just seeing the US indices raise their opening gains here.
Just close the gap now. Internal gap. Let's watch this. I had an order block here, 320. We're bouncing off it. So I don't know why I don't have it here. Oh yeah, because that was a Monday auction. Electronic trading. Big boy sold. To be honest, I want to see a drop somewhere. I would like market to take this 18 as well, and then turn around. That would be lovely. Obviously, we can go into Asia, but that's just a little spike. We'll see. took that low. The 15 minutes. Should be red. Leg 1, leg 2, target. Minimum target.
So at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from Feds Kashkari, who gives a speaker address followed by panel remarks at the Barclays CEPR International Monetary Policy Forum in London. No text is expected, but a Q&A is. And at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get USCB consumer confidence, forecast 96 on the prior 97, with a range of 99 to 92. And the US sells $70 billion in 3-month bills, prior high yield 5.245%, and a prior bid cover of 2.89. And the US sells $70 billion in 6-month bills, prior high yield 5.16%, and a prior bid cover of 2.92.
Bearish for Vargop. That was also a bearish for Vargop when we opened. Reacting from of it. Nine more minutes till period 8 will be closed. Yeah, 18. That's the level I'm looking for. Remove this.
Feds Kashkari says the US labor market has softened but remains tight.
I think we'll continue lower. Kashkari speaking.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Kashkari says wage growth is still quite robust and relative to the 2%
Go
goal.
to 25.
Order
I'll try
submitted.
to short this if we get to this level. See a bit of liquidity there. We got a view up here. I'm technically speaking. This is here. That's the fair value gap. 287. 6 more minutes. Let's see what they're gonna do. Okay. Looks like they're gonna go for that 1817 immediately. Hmm? Yeah, I did hesitate it here. It's new week, first day of the week. Tuesday.
Fed's Kashkari says, I don't think anyone has taken rate increases off the table. At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get USCB consumer confidence, forecast 96 on the prior 97, with a range of 99 to 92. And the US sells $70 billion in 3-month bills, prior high yield
That's what he's talking about.
5.245%, and a prior bid to cover of 2.89. And the US sells $70 billion in 6-month bills, prior high yield 5.16%, and a prior bid to cover of
Risk off trade,
2.92.
basically. Okay, so we went lower.
Order
Fed's
canceled.
Kashkari says if we are surprised by the data, the Fed will do what we need to do.
Alright, got my level. What are we gonna do now? Still need a little bit more to the downside. A little bit more. Doing it just in front of data. 3 more minutes till data.
Fed's Kashkari says policy is restrictive by most measures, but not all.
That's the level. Well, we have a little bit of liquid, but this has been taken. It's pretty much 17. Yeah. 18, 17. Okay, I like that. Collected. Stops. Much below. Got 2 options. We're gonna drop to 310. Or we'll reverse.
Fed's Kashkari says the short-run neutral rate may have gone up temporarily.
Street is very short. Minus 4,000. Okay. Could get a nice push now up. So we have collected that liquidity I was thinking about. Bookmap is going empty just in front of the data. That's the problem. That is the problem, friend. We're gonna do it a bit different. I'm gonna go 1. Asia low is at 312. Looks like market wants to go there. 315. Don't see any liquidity down here. There wasn't any. We
1 minute
have
remaining.
1 minute.
Order
That's the
filled.
place where you have to be long. So I'm going to go long 1 contract here. It's very difficult to trade, I know, because data comes in but we did take our order block, we bouncing off the liquidity, we collected a lot of stuff. Should get a little push higher. That's my trade. And if we go up, I'm gonna head. Initial push can be to the downside. Well, that's
10
why I went only
seconds.
with one contract. Okay.
102 higher than forecast at 96.
Right. Let's go and sell it at the top. Street minus 5,000. Big boys minus 272. Let's see. Went a little bit
So
lower
CB
now.
consumer confidence prior revised 97.5.
97.
So bear in mind, we are shortly expecting the results of the 3- and 6-month bill auctions. I will lead with the high yield.
Well, looks like downside, more downside. $3.15 wants to be traded. I can see Street is going even shorter, minus 5,500. Big boys are holding, actually buying. We reduced to minus
US Treasury
216
yields
now.
on the long end turned positive after US consumer confidence data. 10-year yield last at 4.478%, and seeing 3-month bill high yield 5.255%, 5.255%.
So
Bid to
anyway,
cover
look at
ratio
that.
2.87, 2.87.
Minus 200.
So the US sells $75 billion
So
in
technically
3-month bills
speaking, we
and
could
awards
pop it up
35.36% of
to
bids
take
at high.
this,
And
to take that
6-month bill
Street
bid cover
out of
ratio
the position.
3.06, 3.06, high yield 5.17%,
minus 400 big boys.
5.17%.
That's
So
not
the
good.
US sells $75 billion
like that.
in 6-month bills and awards 0.72% of bids at high.
Dollar is going up. That's not good. Well, we have taken significant level. We are bouncing off this order block that I have here. Give me 15 minutes. 15 minutes order block, somewhere here. We have collected all of that liquidity.
And Fed's Kashkari
Very
says it's best
possible
to
that
hold for as long as
so
necessary to gain
the upside.
clarity.
Okay. We are creating another order block now. Expecting displacement. We'll have to push above this level. Hold. I'm gonna be holding this trade. There we go. There we go. It's looking better. It is looking better. I have not sold into anything yet. Pulling back.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
get in here. Second one. And let's go. Let's go to. Yeah, they need to take that fair value gap, bearish one, which is there, and the view up. So I'm kind of thinking might be difficult to hold this. I'm gonna
Order
sell here.
filled.
Take this 300. And we'll try to get in one more time somewhere here.
Order
If
submitted.
if I have an opportunity. I think we might shop around here. Just created bullish fair value gap in this area. I want to get in one
So
more
looking
time.
at the report here, the expectations index was below 80, the threshold which usually signals a recession ahead. The survey also revealed a possible resurgence in recession concerns. The perceived likelihood of a US
Technically
recession over
speaking,
the next 12
it's just
months rose
one
again in May, with more consumers believing recession is somewhat
one
likely
tick
or
above
very
the high.
likely.
That's not done yet. Let's see how deep we're gonna get. We're gonna push on that. Yeah, we should get even this price. I think we're gonna drop a little bit, 50%. It's possible. That's the fair value gap I'm talking about. Let's just get in here with one.
Order
There we
filled.
go. We're in. We close that. And we have a lot of time. It's 3:05 London time. It's 10:06 New York time. That means that we can stay in the job for another 10 minutes. Which means
Order submitted.
I'm just gonna sell, buy and sell in this range. Grab these 2 points every single time I can. That's it. So I don't think we're just gonna go right now. No point. They want to buy more. Come on. Push one more tick. Oh,
Order filled.
didn't take what I wanted to take, but that's what we're gonna do. We will be buying
Order submitted.
and selling. So we have that a bullseye pressure right now, but the time
ECB's not,
not
says
yet
the risk of hard landing in the
for
Eurozone is
attacking this.
receding quite rapidly.
for attacking that VWAP and pushing towards 331. It's just not there yet. It's not a time. Now we can, because we closed it for a while. Now we can just actually drop below. We could drop below. That's what I'm hoping for. Once we take that further out, we can even drop somewhere here. So I'm gonna be very greedy, and if we close below, then we're gonna drop here. So that was good exit. Here we got out too early.
The USCB consumer confidence data says notably average 12-month inflation expectations ticked up from 5.3% to 5.4%.
I mean, overall market should go up here. I'm just trying to get more out of it. Look at this, minus 128. We have been minus 400 going down here. Now they're buying. And I have a fear that this is gonna go without me. Well,
Protect your trade from macro headline
that
risk
happens,
with
it
Financial
happens.
Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time
Look at
service.
that. Minus 52. But before we go, we should clear that liquidity. We should take that liquidity. There should be a nice little drop into this area. Boom. Just grab it. It should happen. Still have 10 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes. To collect. Four minutes. And that's going to be first target. This 15 minutes candle. Top. It's here. This candle, every candle is 1 minute. So technically speaking, this is where we're supposed to go. Here. Into this open price. So we're talking about 6 points up. So I want to be in it. I want to be in it. And I'm gonna try to grab, I hope for a little drop in here. I'm gonna
Order
go 2
submitted.
contracts. Try to catch this one. Possibly that one there as well. See that? Big boys are already plus 91. Come on, get down there. Grab that 20. Got 2 more minutes. Yeah. Come on, come on. One tick below it has to go to grab the liquid. It's like a minimum. It's literally minimum. But stop losses should pop. You know what? Let's just do it like that. Let's just do it like that.
Japan's yen falls to the weakest in almost 16 years versus the pound.
You know. Almost there, and it didn't. It didn't take me. God damn it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. And the second one is just if I get lucky, you know. That's like a 62%, 72%. Okay, 14 past. Got 13 seconds to close. All right. Dropping lower. Let's see how low we're gonna go. Yeah, I should get down there to this red line. Big boys plus 127. They want 17, 16, 15. Whoops. Okay, let's move this. Maybe we might get 16, maybe 15. Then we go and grab that 15-minute candle, and then we're gonna go. It's possible. Liquidity is up to 315. Let's have a look. We have bearish favor gap now. So, what are we going to do now? I mean, there's a possibility that we can drop below 16. But they grabbed a lot. This was cleared with this drop. It's Monday action. This was cleared with this drop. Then they cleared whatever they had with this drop. Now we have collected everything. So, not really point to go lower unless they really want to go really deep down there. Unless they just want to drop completely. And I don't think so. Nasdaq is holding, Russell is holding. I think it's just a matter of time till we go higher.
Taking a look now at the Fear and Greed Index, 54 out of 100, which indicates neutral, while the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 72 out of 100, indicating greed. Keeping an eye on the VIX today as well, which is currently up around 3.5% at 12.82.
Yeah. I want to get in with another one. Let's see if we can get it. Back to this fair value gap. But this time we might take it. And push. Push for this view up as well. To 6.8. It's looking good. Everything is looking good for the lovely push. There we go. Boom. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's see how far we're gonna push on this. What do we say? Ooh, 2,700. That's a huge number. That is a huge number. Be in it. I want to be in it. Come on.
Order
There we go.
filled.
Got two now. Let's see. Let's see if we can make money.
In 10 minutes' time now, at the bottom of
Yeah,
the hour,
another
the
February
release of the
gap here,
Dallas Fed
bullish.
Manufacturing Business Index forecast minus 12.5 on the prior minus 14.5.
Let's see if we can continue up there. Be careful here. 637 on the buy side, big boys. That is good. That was like 2,300 on the candle. Massive buying. Let's see if we can squeeze at least still opening price. We need to go for view up first. It's number one objective. Go for view up and stay above. So 3-2. I mean 53.25 is the number one objective. Don't you drop it. Plus 700 big boys, I like that. Street starts to be squeezed. They did sold into this 15-minute candle here. That's the reason why we are a bit. I missed that bit. That's the reason why we're not going. Anyway, oof. I hate that when I'm in the money and then I have to. Oof. Oh, that's not great. That's not great. What now? Okay, they just wanted to collect more. Are we gonna push higher? No.
Fed's Kashkari says, I think the odds of Fed raising rates are quite low.
Why you have to say this right now, man? I mean, that was actually positive news. So yeah. Raising rates quite low, so
Do you want to stay up to
nobody's
date with
gonna
the
raise
latest
anything.
and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Okay. 7 minutes and we'll have the period B closed. That means we'll have a new set of stop losses. I want to hold this thing up to opening price. That would be one.
Order
I'm gonna
Kashkari
sell
submitted.
says
one
we
here.
could stay on hold for an indefinite period of time.
And then I'm gonna just don't like my position entry right now. But 6 more minutes. I got long a little bit too high. I chased that. But I know on this candlestick we have 2,300, so that's a big number. Some money has been sent there. They're gonna back that up. They're not gonna back off from this. I invested a lot of money there. Obviously, we had stop losses bursting the shorts, but not enough. Not enough. $25. And then we're gonna go to 31. Well,
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index forecast -12.5 on the prior -14.5.
do have a lot of liquidity. They don't need to go lower. They collected enough. 5 more minutes. Big boy 558. Somebody's loading shorts here. Don't like that. This could be, we could get another fucking drop down. Like to collect all of those longs, like me. Could happen. Could happen. So what are we doing? Decisions. I'm out.
Order filled.
That's the decision. I don't like it. For some reason, I just didn't like it. 337. I probably panicked. But I'm thinking, how about they pull this one more time down there? Just to grab everything. I mean, they did take that here. I just didn't want to be with two contracts here at this. This was bad, Ed. If I had just one, I would have held that. So if I can get that one more
Order
time
submitted.
here, I'll be happy to hold. Yeah. I'll be happy to hold if I can get it here. $315 is even waiting. That's the problem. There you go. Look at it. 3 more minutes. They can go and grab that bottom. We're kind of like a little bit too close to attack this. Much better it would be if we could just pull it and then we're gonna go up. Just pull a little bit lower, then go up.
Order
This
canceled.
is just a bit too congested. It's too close. Just don't like that. Too close to this resistance. There wasn't enough pain for these longs here. They're probably still holding position. They're trying to get out here. If you can pull them now, they will give up everything. So yeah, I'm okay with this decision. I want this low to be taken. There's a liquidity down here. I know big boys are 792, but I see there's liquidity.
1 minute remaining.
And we have some data again. All the time. 18 seconds. Can go and grab that.
10 seconds. Still waiting for the data.
Asia sell side
Minus
is
19 spot
free
4,
12.
minus 19 spot 4, lower than forecast, minus 12 spot 1.
And what now? It's just too close to this. I don't know. The range is too tight. I would like to see this to pull down here one more time. But it might not happen because they have put a lot of money into this candle. 2,300. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, alright? Miss this trade. Pushing higher. Also, I noticed one thing here. At some point, somebody was adding a lot of shorts around this level here. I don't like that. I don't like that. I would like to see this when I'm long. Okay, it's a bearish fair value gap right now again. It's not like we are going up like crazy. Just took that. Sitting on the view up. Got some selling going on. I don't know. I'm gonna
Order
go
filled.
short here. Let's see. Let's see. Could be a surprise for bulls now. Yeah. We'll have to close it in front of 16 if I have only one contract.
Order
Add another one
filled.
here. So here's one. We're gonna close one here.
Order
Hold
submitted.
the other one. Or maybe even here. Yeah, we should get a collapse now. All these lungs should panic. Probably somewhere. Let's go down. Asia low is 313. They wanted to pull it to the bottom. 315 is liquidity waiting. 313. Asia low. No panic should kick in. I can see 50 contracts on the sell side right now. Well, that's good. I don't know. It might go pretty deep. It might go pretty deep. Just hold that thing. Come on, get down there. Yeah. Ah, fuck it. Just stop loss break even. If I'm stopped, I'm stopped. I'm not gonna give it. I'm not gonna allow this price to go higher. This needs to break this low and continue. Otherwise, this trade is invalid. We have liquidity. That's what I want to see. Panic kicks in. The panic will kick in once we hit that. Come on, let's go. Let's expect that. A little bit of bounce here. Profit taking on the short side. $317. $315 should be traded. Got your gap here. It's a fucking pain to hold this, honestly. But you have to hold it to make money. You know it's gonna get down there. Look at 15, 13, 12. It's gonna get down there. Yeah. Damn it. Oh, we took his fucking 15-minute candle. That's why. This is why we took that 15-minute candle. That's the problem. God damn it, yeah. Why don't you go and grab that 16? Yeah, fuck off. See that?
Order filled.
It's fucking 15 minutes candle. Yeah, they took it. And we can reverse 550 on a day. Not great because we have 400. I missed that bit. They don't need to go lower. They don't need to go lower. Alright. So, what now? What a waste. Well, at least I closed here. Now we can go up. Now we can go up. Probably gonna go there very fast.
Order
wrong.
filled.
Now we're gonna squeeze shorts. We took longs. Now we can squeeze shorts. And continue into 25 and above. Got 15 more minutes. I'm just gonna hold one contract now. It's just adding that high is not the best option for me. It's just too high. Alright. Let's go. Now we should go push to 28. Somewhere there.
Order
Okay, I'm
filled.
gonna add one more. Let's just try. Let's try. It looks like we're gonna go. It's very bullish. Let's go now. Yeah. I want to see opening price. I want to close one here.
Order submitted.
Somewhere here. Come on, motherfucker, go up. You cut the short. Now we have to squeeze them. They have not sold yet, so I mean, they did sell a little bit into 15, but the momentum is up. The momentum is really up, and this is what we're waiting for, you know, from the open, for that drop into this order block, grabbing liquidity, and now we have it, and we should hold this, because quite easily we can get to definitely 28. It's like I can see 31, 32 as a possibility, but we should get very quickly to 28, because now we're gonna pop the stops and start pushing through this bearish fair value gap, this one. Everything will become invalid on the bear side. People will give up. So let's hold this trade. But some people, you know, from here, they were trapped from the open, so you're gonna have some of them still holding position and getting out. But most of them gave up when we dropped. 28, 29. Yeah, 31, to be honest, it's the target. 31.50. Gonna close one here. Just in front of it, because we know what they're gonna do. We'll be front running, 100% front running. This opening price. $27, $28. Liquidity is there. It took 15 minutes, another 15 minutes, another 15 minutes. Look at it. But they want more. I think they want more. Come on, don't fucking drop now. Dynamic. It's good dynamic, good momentum to the upside. Are we gonna squeeze for this? Or not? I want one contract out. Fuck, 23 could drop to 23. Easily. $27.50. Squeeze now. Fuck off, honestly, fuck off.
Order
Alright, I
canceled.
got it. Now I can move my stop break even. And hold the rest. Okay, so yes, we did push into that. Yeah. Pull back to 23 is possible right now. Actually, this is where my stop loss is, where my entry is. So I'm gonna actually give a little bit of space, and if I see a good price, I'm gonna add.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna add. Nasdaq is already pushing higher. Look at Nasdaq. It's trying to squeeze for that. ES is behind. So we have a further gap here. Bullish. Dollar is dropping. That's good. That's what I want to see. 23, 24, 23. We could get down here. So yeah, that was good exit. We have liquidity, look at that. 35 now. The market is definitely trying to go higher.
White House's Singh says the
Order
US
filled.
and partners are prepared to use
Two.
sanctions and export controls
Two
to
of them.
prevent China-Russia trade that threatens our
try it.
collective
Try one more
security.
time. Let's try it one more time. $27, $28, $30, $31. Yeah. Got 7 more minutes. What is this doing?
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Big boys only 45. Ooh, that's not a lot. That's not a lot. That's not good. That is not good. Are they gonna drop now? drop.
Order filled.
Out.
And White House's
out,
Singh
out,
says
out,
the US
out.
and partners can take further action to increase the cost of Russia using
Okay,
shadow
well, we
fleet
are
to
with the
evade
money.
G7 oil price cap.
825. I'm out because I can see the liquidity here. I don't know, you know what? It's just this crazy fucking thing like in your head. Like they might drop. I see 29 only on big boy side. I don't like that. This should be already like 800. They should accumulate. They should accumulate here. They're not accumulating. That means that they sold into this 15-minute candles here we had. There was a couple of them. There was a couple of them here. That was the final one. No, sorry, the final one was here. So we might go a bit lower. At the same time, we have trap shorts here. 4 minutes till this period's gonna close. At the same time, we're not falling yet. Holding this view up. Drop to 20, 21 even. It looks like they want to go. Big boys are minus 19. Minus 19. They're not buying it yet. Plus 3. What this could do. Yeah, it should go higher, according to price action, but it doesn't look like they're buying it.
Fed's Kashkari says commercial real estate is a risk and
I
expect
think
big
I
losses.
think they took the last trade. I'm pretty happy with 800 on a day. I'm not gonna push here. Not happy with my entry. I mean, the entry for one contract was okay. Should have fucking take this 400 when I had it on my hands. But it's always this. I would have situation. Same was here. Well, we have recognized the change. We went low, we made money. Now I'm recognizing that this is not going up. This is not going up, my dear friends. I see some selling. Look at this. Minus 10, minus 20. Big boys are selling. You know? Got 1 more minute, 30 seconds, and we're going to find out. So, if we're not going up, we're going to go down. And that's the level where we're going to go. Right? It's 10 points. Do I want to be in it? Do I want to shoot this one more time? Again, very close to this. Okay. see what they're gonna do now. Big boys
The US
minus
to sell
8.
$70 billion in 4-week bills on May 30th to settle on June the 4th.
Plus 24 now. We haven't got any liquidity now here. All the liquidity is here. And then the problem is, like, if we break that, we can really drop. We can just drop to the bottom, you know? If we drop to the bottom. It's relatively equal lows. Look at it. What now? What now? What now? What now? They're gonna pull it up. Or we're just gonna continue lower.
Order
Let's
filled.
try it. Last trade. Because we can go there very fast. This is a big surprise for bulls now. Minus 20 big boys. We have to drop. I'm not gonna hold this forever. Let's go down quickly now. There you go. No liquidity, just falling like a knife. 17 is waiting. Just go down. The thing is, like, if this breaks, we're gonna go and grab that bottom, right? So
ECB's not
Come
says
on.
productivity growth will determine room for ECB to cut rates.
it's now.
Order
Oh, for
filled.
fuck's sake, what did I do?
Order filled.
Close that. Wanted to put my stop loss break even and I close that trade. Not good. Big boys minus 255. Don't go back. Hmm. Let's go. Yeah. This is just short. This is just short covering. I don't see buying here. A little stoppage on the way down. Just dump it, for fuck's sake. What are you waiting for? Hmm? Hmm.
Fed's Kashkari says, I don't think weakness in the economy is needed to lower inflation.
It's a bit too long. This is a little bit too long. Okay,
Order
out.
filled.
Takes too long. Should continue long, but it's not. Most likely gonna reverse. So 975. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the day, guys. This is Trap Trader from London. We have a terrible weather.
Do you want to stay up to
But
date
I'm
with the
done.
latest and be
It's
on the bleeding
Tuesday.
edge of
Happy
news
with my
for
results.
non-farm payrolls?
See you
Then
tomorrow.
sign up today
Don't
and
get
get our
trapped.
special offer of
I might
Financial
be on
Use
the
Pro
other side of
for
your
a year's
trade
worth of our service for the price of
and steal your money.
and save 92%.
Take care.